Perez versus CA. Ray and Nerissa were a couple who are separated in fact, with only one child. Nerissa filed a complaint for habeas corpus against Ray to surrender custody of the child to her. The RTC ruled in her favor, however, was reversed by the Court of Appeals. Hence the issue of whether or not the child should be in the custody of the father. No, Article 213 clearly mandates that a child under 7 years of age shall not be separated from his mother unless the court finds compelling reasons to order otherwise.